Engines. They're the heartbeat of every car, from high-revving 4-cylinders to muscle-packed V8s. There's a world of options when it comes to tuning, and today we're diving deep into the best of the best. Ever wondered which engines provide the most bang for your buck in the tuning world? Whether you're looking to unleash some serious horsepower or just curious about which engines are the most customizable, we've got you covered. But before we jump in, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you never miss another engine breakdown. Let's fire up and explore the best tunable engines out there. VAG EA888 engine, the turbocharged masterpiece. First up, we have the VAG EA888 engine, a turbocharged 4-cylinder that's a favorite for tuners worldwide. Over the years, this engine has evolved, and now on its 4th iteration, it's more powerful than ever. From just remapping the ECU, you can achieve almost 400 horsepower, and with internal modifications, this engine can easily double. It's not just about power, it's about reliability too. With proper fueling and exhaust upgrades, the EA888 can continue to pump out serious power while maintaining its dependability. This engine is a tuner's dream, providing a huge aftermarket support base that makes modding it relatively affordable and accessible. Whether you're looking for street or track performance, the EA888 engine is capable of handling the heat and the horsepower. What makes the EA888 particularly special is how well it responds to both tuning and daily driving needs. The balance between performance and reliability means that even when pushing the engine to higher power levels, you're not sacrificing drivability. Plus, it's versatile, found in everything from VW Golf GTIs to Audi S3s, making it an easy pick for enthusiasts looking for an engine that can go the distance with the right tweaks. If you're keen on turbocharging, this is one engine you'll want to get familiar with. In short, the VAG EA888 is the ultimate sleeper engine, quietly powerful, highly tunable, and ready to take on whatever modifications you throw at it. It's a go-to choice for those looking to unlock massive potential in a compact package. With the right upgrades, this engine can deliver some serious power without compromising on longevity. Nissan RB26 DETT, the legendary Skyline power plant. Next on our list is the Nissan RB26 DETT, the iconic engine behind the legendary Skyline GTR. Built for racing, the RB26 DETT is a tuner's paradise with a robust design capable of handling huge power outputs. Don't be fooled by its stock output. It's not uncommon to see builds well over 1,000 horsepower using the same engine internals. It's also a car enthusiast's dream, thanks to its role in the Fast and Furious franchise. The RB26-powered Skylines have become some of the most coveted JDM classics, with the R34 GTR even fetching over $1 million at auction. So why is this engine so tunable? It comes down to its strong foundation. The RB26 features forged internals and a robust turbo system, making it an excellent platform for high-powered builds. Tuners often add a bigger turbo, better fueling systems, and upgraded cooling solutions to squeeze even more performance out of this engine. Even when pushing well beyond its stock limits, the RB26 DETT remains reliable with proper maintenance. The aftermarket community is full of parts and tuning tips that can push this engine to its full potential, making it an obvious pick for any serious enthusiast looking to build a high-performance machine. If you're dreaming of tuning a JDM legend, the RB26 DETT is the perfect engine to build upon. Its power potential, reliability, and proven track record make it one of the best engines to modify, and it'll keep you smiling through every rev. Mitsubishi 4G63, the heart of the Evo. The Mitsubishi 4G63 engine is another high-performance powerhouse, especially loved by Evo enthusiasts. Known for its incredible tuning potential, this 4-cylinder turbo engine has powered some of the most legendary cars in motorsport history. It's not uncommon for the 4G63 to be tuned to levels that would make supercars jealous, pushing out well over 600 horsepower with relative ease. Whether you're building an Evo to take on the track or just want an everyday driver with some serious kick, the 4G63 is a great place to start. The 4G63 engine is popular because it's simple to work with and has a ton of aftermarket support. From better turbochargers to upgraded pistons and rods, this engine can handle a lot of modifications. It's been the driving force behind many time attack monsters and has earned its place in motorsport history. What makes it even better is the engine's affordability and the sheer amount of parts available, making it an excellent option for those looking to push the limits of tuning without breaking the bank. With the right upgrades, the Mitsubishi 4G63 engine can easily produce enough power to take down some of the world's most powerful cars. Whether you're a seasoned tuner or a newbie, this engine provides an ideal platform for squeezing out performance without going overboard on costs. Honda K20A, the high-revving tunable gem. Honda's K20A engine is one of the most celebrated engines in the tuning community, and for good reason. This engine offers the perfect combination of high-revving fun and tunability. Originally designed to replace the legendary B-Series engines, the K20A was given the task of delivering both power and reliability, and it doesn't disappoint. With its VTEC technology and a naturally aspirated setup, the K20A provides a thrilling driving experience while leaving plenty of room for improvement in the tuning department. The K20A's biggest selling point is its ability to rev incredibly high while maintaining excellent reliability. With proper maintenance, these engines can be pushed to 300 horsepower in stock form, but with the right turbo or supercharger, reaching 700 plus horsepower is totally achievable. The K20A has become the engine of choice for tuners looking to build a high-revving, lightweight performance machine that can handle the daily grind while being a beast on the track. One of the reasons the K20A is so tunable is because of its lightweight, simple design and the vast aftermarket support available for the engine. From high-performance cams to larger throttle bodies and stronger internals, the K20A can be easily modified to meet the needs of any performance enthusiast. If you're looking for an engine that combines speed, reliability, and a high rev limit, the K20A is an excellent choice. Subaru EJ20, the legendary Flat 4. Fifth on our list is the Subaru EJ20, the engine that helped shape the legendary Impreza STI and the world of motorsport. Known for its distinctive flat 4 layout, the EJ20 offers a low center of gravity, making it perfect for track days. This unique configuration delivers excellent handling while producing power that can take down drag racing records and tackle time attack events with ease. Whether it's in the iconic Impreza STI or a heavily modified race car, the EJ20 thrives with the right tuning. What makes the EJ20 stand out is its balance of power and handling. Despite its relatively small displacement of 2 liters, the EJ20 can easily be tuned for huge gains. With turbocharging, it's not uncommon to see power levels soar past 600 to 700 horsepower, with many tuners achieving over 1,000 horsepower in fully modified builds. It's this tuning potential coupled with its robust internals that makes the EJ20 a standout in the world of performance engines. If you're looking for a unique and reliable engine for tuning, the EJ20 is a must-try. The Subaru EJ20 has become a legend in the tuning world, offering enthusiasts a powerful yet compact engine with great aftermarket support. It's no wonder why it's a top choice for tuners looking to create a track weapon or street car monster. BMW N54, the modern-day 2JZ. Next, we have the BMW N54, often hailed as the modern-day 2JZ due to its incredible tuning potential. The N54 was BMW's first turbocharged engine in their M series, making its debut in the 1M. Stock, it delivers 340 horsepower, but with its strong factory internals, the N54 can easily support power figures upwards of 700 horsepower, with just a few key modifications. It's often compared to Toyota's 2JZ for its ability to handle big power without needing forged internals, which makes it a go-to engine for tuners looking to push the limits. The N54 is known for its turbocharged prowess, and it's not just about adding more boost. With supporting mods like upgraded turbos, bigger intercoolers, and a beefier fueling system, this engine can achieve impressive performance figures. Its ability to handle high power levels while maintaining reliability is a key reason why the N54 is one of the most tunable engines out there. Whether you're building a street car or a track monster, the N54 is a top-tier choice for tuners looking for serious performance. In short, the BMW N54 is an engine that can handle more power than most can imagine. With its rock-solid base and massive aftermarket support, it's no wonder this engine continues to reign supreme in the tuning world. Mazda 13B, the rotary revolution. The Mazda 13B rotary engine powering the legendary RX-7 is one of the most unique and tunable engines out there. While it only displaces 1308cc, this rotary powerhouse has been tuned to produce upwards of 1500 horsepower, all while revving to a mind-blowing 10,000 RPMs. The 13B's compact design and insane redline make it an incredible choice for tuners looking for high-revving thrills. It's a small engine with big potential, and its distinctive rotary sound is unmistakable. What makes the 13B so special is its simplicity and unique engineering. With fewer moving parts than a conventional piston engine, the rotary is easier to modify and tune. Optimistic tuners have taken the 13B from its stock 200 horsepower figures all the way to over 1500 horsepower with proper modifications. The rotary engine's tuning potential is unmatched, and it's a favorite for enthusiasts who want something a little different and incredibly high revving. However, the 13B is temperamental, so it's not for the faint of heart. But when tuned right, it's an absolute beast. The Mazda 13B is perfect for those looking to push the limits of tuning and enjoy a unique, high-pitched sound that sets it apart from the rest. It's a true testament to the ingenuity of rotary engineering. Toyota 2JZ GTE, the king of power and reliability. No list of tunable engines would be complete without the Toyota 2JZ GTE, the engine that turned the Supra into a legend. This six-cylinder powerhouse is known for its incredible strength and tuning potential. Stock, the 2JZ GTE delivers 280 horsepower, but with proper tuning and a few key modifications, it's not uncommon to see this engine pushing well over 1,000 horsepower, all while maintaining reliability. The 2JZ GTE is an engine that was built for serious power, and it's not hard to see why it's a fan favorite among tuners. What makes the 2JZ GTE so tunable is its over-engineered internals, including forged steel rods and a tough iron block. These components allow the engine to handle massive amounts of power without the need for a complete overhaul. With the right modifications, the 2JZ GTE can take your car from a street-friendly ride to a high-performance monster capable of taking down the fastest cars on the planet. From drag racing to circuit events, the 2JZ GTE is a tuning legend. Simply put, the Toyota 2JZ GTE is the gold standard for tunable engines. Whether you're building a Supra or swapping it into another chassis, this engine is sure to deliver unmatched performance and power. And there you have it, the best tunable engines that have earned their reputation in the automotive world. Whether you're looking for high-revving 4-cylinders, performance-packed 6s, or legendary V8s, there's no shortage of options when it comes to tuning. From the ever-popular VAG EA888 to the iconic Nissan RB26 and Mitsubishi 4G63, these engines have proven time and time again that with the right modifications, anything is possible. Which engine is your favorite to tune? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tuning tips and car content. See you next time, and keep living the ideal lifestyle.